Another thing you can try out is you can potentially bridge some token. Let's say I want to bridge some ETH to base. So quickly ask me what is the source network I want to bridge from. So I say submit Ethereum. Let's say I want to send 0.005. So that's about $20. It's going to tell me I'm not on the right network because I'm currently on base. I need to move to Ethereum. So the assistant will help you move to Ethereum. It's just going to confirm my request. Once I hit approve, it's going to build the transaction and it's going to fire it up. Let's just wait for this to confirm. Right. And it now gives me a link to socket scan where I can trace the rest of the bridge action. Right. The transfer is totally completed. The funds have been moved for Ethereum to base.